Hey guys, Marcus here. I took on the project on installing my own Küpper Workbench. It seemed very robust and actually worth the money, so judging by the pictures. Now, as you can tell, I bought it online and it was delivered after a couple of weeks, so while I started unpacking. Now, the instructions seemed pretty good in the beginning, especially since the manual seemed to be only consisting of pictures. But some of the pictures weren't 100% clear in saying how and what I should put together, which is why you might notice that I struggle a little bit. Needless to say, IKEA is still, according to myself, the #1 in making instruction manuals for self-installments of furnitures. Now, Küpper comes in a really close second place though. It was actually a lot more work than I thought. Also, it's not like the IKEA furniture where you get the tools you need to install the furniture. You actually have to have real tools and actually drill holes into the wooden bench to screw the whole thing together with the rest of the bench. But as I was putting it together, I was positively surprised over the quality of this thing. It's actually made to last a really long time. Now, assembling this yourself is something anyone could do. At least anyone with tools and a lot of patience. Now, I have to admit, there were quite a lot of strange angles there, so I was actually struggling with my inner peace. So I had to grab a cup of tea in between a few times. But would I do it again? Okay, maybe not tomorrow, but yeah, definitely, I would do it again. Right guys, mission accomplished. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this from my channel, hit the subscribe button. Till next time.